So, as you can see, it looks a bit like a guitar, but it's a teardrop shape instead.
So, my name's Keith. I'm from the charity MusicLinks. So, do you remember what start? Yeah, and stop. Excellent. Faster. Okay, good. Are you all right to be conducted, Maxwell? So maybe some individuals sort of starting and stopping.
I really enjoyed it, and the non-verbals joined in, they absolutely loved it. I'm Rachel Carr, I'm a teacher of Ash class, which is Key Stage 4 at George Hastwell School. Obviously Jack might not have been able to get here, but because we had the online, he was here. And it was just as good as if he was here, because we could still hear him, we could still ask him questions, and you'll get a more diverse range because you can tap into people all over the world rather than just around here. I think it was really good.